Phasalo Information and Technology Departmentni Luwajijakma bai Rajakhor Agulini Pragna Bhavano Regional Level Awareness Workshop Panda Khlaijakha India AI Impact Summit 2026 Bisi Conference Notui Khlaijakha Workshop. Final 19-20 February Shalmariwa New Delhi ni Bharat Mandabo Sengjaknani Thangai Tongo Summit Conference Panda Manjakha Hastini Chief Secretary J.K. Sinha Information and Technology Department Secretary Kiran Getino Khobite Kubun Adongra Ashalni Regional Level Awareness Workshop 350 Representative Manjakha Abuni Bishingo NIT Agartala National Law University Tripura Indian Institute of Information Technology and National University of Forensic Science ni student of Manjakha.
As we all know that India AI Impact Summit is organized in Delhi from 15th to 20th February. This is the 4th global conference on AI. Our Honorable Prime Minister has emphasized the adoption of AI in all aspects of our social and economic life. So as a part of that, a pre-event has been organized in Tripura, and we have collaborated with the National E-Governance Division meeting and all the engineering colleges and technical institutes in the state. Large number of students, more than 500, are attending this pre-event today. So today we are discussing about the scope of AI implementation in our state. So it may be in the field of health, agriculture, education, and all the resources that our state possesses. So we are also helping them to attend the event in Delhi, and after that we will be organizing a 100 days challenge in our state where all the students can participate and deploy their AI in the actual ground level. So from that challenge we will select best maybe 10 AI use cases, and then government will support the adoption of AI in those 10 projects. So such initiatives are being taken by the department under the startup policy and also new generation innovation network that we have in the state. The brightest minds have attended today's pre-event summit in our state, and I hope that with the quality of our human resource, Tripura, like say we have made our presence in the field of reforms as well as in the field of digital governance. In the coming days, we will also make a mark in the country in the AI implementation. Thank you.
Rajakhor Chini Khorang.